Hi, I'm Dr. Will Mooney. I'm an ENT surgeon. What causes snoring? Simple things like alcohol, smoking, sleeping position. Take them out of the equation and you've got three big causes: weight, nose and throat. If your weight, as a rule of thumb, is over 100 kilos for a guy, 80 kilos for a girl, you're going to snore, so you need to address that. Your nose is due to nasal obstruction, and your throat can be due to big tonsils or a long palate. Whatever the cause, take time to speak to an ENT surgeon and we'll help you.